What's up, everybody? Your boy Pat back again with another edition of Patrick Unplugged. Today's topic of the day is the Apple iPhone Pro Max.
This is a Heat Rocks production.
Now, before we get into it, make sure you like and subscribe and hit the bell as it helps out the channel. Now, the Apple iPhone 14 comes in the regular variant, the Pro variant, and then this variant, which is the Pro Max, also comes in a bunch of different memory sizes. I'll list them right here on the side of the screen so you can see it. And also a bunch of different colors. I'll list that over here on the right side of the screen so you can see all the different colors and how that matches up and which one you may want to purchase. But today's video is only going to be an unboxing. So let's see what's inside the box. I've already pre-opened these seals. So the first thing you'll see is there's the iPhone. So this is what they call the gold variant. And to be honest, it's not like gold. I feel like that's gold. And I feel like this is, I don't know, like pink, rose gold. But they call it gold, so we're gonna go with it. Now, the first thing I noticed out of this box really fast is the camera is gigantic. This thing is monstrous. It's actually raised. It has this little plastic thing here. I don't know how the other iPhones look as far as the 13 and the 12s look, but the 11s for sure didn't have this. That's what we'll be upgrading. But these camera humps are huge, so these cameras should really be awesome. As most people know, iPhone makes beautiful cameras. So really fast, let's look at what the phone looks like. So you got the gold. I really like the gold on the bands. They look really sharp, really nice. And then let's see what the actual screen looks like. So there you go right there. We'll power this thing on, see if it has any juice in it. And we'll go continue with there you go, it's starting up. But we'll continue with what's inside the box. So inside the box, it looks like you have some cords. And it looks like you have some books. And everybody who knows about Apple now, you do not get a power brick anymore. And for the most part, most manufacturers in the US are not doing the power brick anymore. So you're getting right now a USB Type-C to a lightning cable connector. Obviously the lightning cable connector goes there, and then the USB Type-C, you'll have to find a power brick that has a USB Type-C. So you're getting some books, it looks like. Let's see if I can figure out how to open up. There it goes. So we can throw that to the side. So you're getting, you no longer need a physical SIM card, activate your eSIM. So that's a big difference. I was saying this on the way here to do this video, that one of the things that people are gonna either like or dislike, and I feel like you're probably gonna get a lot more people to dislike this, is the fact that you no longer have a physical SIM card, so you can't swap out phones back and forth. So it's now an eSIM, which stands for electronic SIM. So I don't know how that's gonna work, and when you wanna switch phones, you're probably gonna have to call your carrier, which could be cumbersome and time consuming. Then you're getting here a bunch of user guide stuff, not a lot, but a little bit. And then you're getting your Apple Troll sticker. For anybody who has a friend who's a big Samsung supporter, you might wanna just pop this on their phone and really get them annoyed and angry. But that's what you're getting inside. You'll see the phone right there. Hello, that's it. That's the end of this unboxing. If you want me to do a quick review after about 30 days, let me know in the comments and I'll provide some feedback on how I like the phone. Shout out to everybody rocking my Instagram, YouTube, the Anchor app. You can also find me on Spotify, as well as Apple and Google Podcasts. It's your boy Pat. Peace. Catch you in the next one.